Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to mute the sound for outgoing messages on WhatsApp Web using the new update. If you're someone who spends a lot of time chatting on your computer, you know how that constant whoosh sound can get distracting. The good news is you can now turn it off in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC. You can do this by heading to the WhatsApp website and linking it to your phone using the QR code. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chat list and all your messages just like on your phone. Next, take a look at the left side menu of your screen. Right above your chat list, you'll find a small gear icon. That's your settings button. Go ahead and click on that. Now, a small menu will appear with several options. From here, select Notifications. This is where you can manage all your sound and alert preferences for WhatsApp Web. Once inside the notification section, look for the setting that says Play Sound for outgoing messages. By default, this option is turned on. To mute the sound, simply uncheck or toggle off that box. And that's it. You've successfully muted the outgoing message sound. From now on, you can send messages quietly without any notification sounds interrupting your focus. This feature is especially handy for people working in shared spaces or on calls who still need to message but without that little send sound every time. It keeps your chats discreet and your workspace peaceful. If you ever want to turn the sound back on, just follow the same steps and re-enable the option. It's that simple. So that's how you can mute outgoing message sounds on WhatsApp Web after the latest update. It only takes a few clicks and makes your chatting experience smoother and quieter. Thanks for watching.